I'm Shivani. Welcome to my channel. So I've been wanting to do this for a very long time now, but I was very confused and I had no confidence. I was confused as to, where do I really begin? What do I really talk about? Because everybody, was talking about something or the other. There was already so much about food, lifestyle, skincare, makeup. Everything was just out there. So I was contemplating that, what new can I really do? But then I figured it for myself that I must talk about something, that I'm absolutely passionate about. Something or some product that has brought in some kind of positive transformation in my own life, So here I am today talking to you guys about skincare. I know, we all love skincare, don't we? So my skincare journey really began 2 years ago, and I had a very bad skin before that. There was a lot of acne, a lot of pigmentation, uneven skin tone, no life to my skin. My skin was in a mess. So I went to a doctor, skin doctor, an amazing one, and she completely transformed it for me. So I think that was the time when I really realized that wow, I can also have like this naturally good looking skin. So one thing led to another. I just started with that basic rule of cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and binge watching skincare videos, and I kept adding products to my routine. And though my skin was improving, my skin was still dull and dead. There was no glow, so to say, So that milestone in my skincare journey really came in a year ago with one product, no kidding, just one product. And I cannot emphasize on that enough. I'm just going to talk about it today. So like I said, I was doing a lot of binge watching of skincare videos, and I tried a lot of products to really make my skin more healthy and more bright and everything. So I stumbled upon this product on Amazon, but hold on, disclaimer, I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional. Whatever I'm talking today is out of my experience. So if at all your skin is sensitive or you need like a professional guidance, then please go for it. Don't jump onto buying this product right away. So like I said, this product was really like the game changer. It's Makhai Skincare Vitamin C Serum. So I bought it from Amazon. It is advanced anti-aging formula. It has 20% of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, glutathione. I pronounced it. I tried pronouncing it before the video, but I failed. Ferulic acid and licorice extract. So basically, what it does, it really reduces your fine lines, your scars, your wrinkles, and it just makes your skin bright, glowy, a lot of glow, and like a much younger looking skin, And the best part about this product is that it is inexpensive, So when I had started really finding serum for myself, I figured all these serums, are so expensive, 1,500, 2,000, and I was like, I want to go for like a cheapest best option, and in this range, which this vitamin C serum is in, this is gold, So if you buy 30 ml, it is for 269 rupees, and if you buy 50 ml, it is for 349 rupees only, And like I said, I bought it from Amazon, and on Amazon you get a free delivery for it, so you don't even have to keep waiting to add, products in your cart to save that delivery money. So yeah, it's so cheap, and the packaging is so good, it smells so nice, and this dropper is so sturdy, Otherwise they generally fall off or break or don't close properly, or they always have an issue. But this one is really sturdy and nice, and I really vouch for this product. And yeah, so I think I'm going to stick to it for life. I love it so much, And yeah, so if you like this video, please go like, share, subscribe, and I'm going to make more videos on the products that I personally use and I personally love, and I really hope it helps you guys also. So yeah, I'll see you again very soon. Okay.